Hey, good morning, global students. Thanks for being here today. Let's walk through our weekly checklist here. Again, we should be putting this in notability. This is going to be our final week of our island that we are working on. So, Thursday, we are going to be looking at different types of economies. You did some notes with this on the PowerPoint, and perhaps you watched the video earlier this week. Today, we're going to do a reading on it. So, there's a PDF called Types of Economies Book System Readings. You're going to put that into notability. And there's a folder called Economic Reading, and there's pages in there. You will read that and use that to fill out your answers on the note sheet. Do not submit your notes. They're your notes that you're going to be using. Because on Friday, we are going to start with the Create an Island economics. All right, so there is a video that shows you how to do it. There are instructions as well that you will go through and look at with those with the four different quadrants. The economics for your island is very similar to your government. And then next Monday and Tuesday, we're working on our island. All right. Wednesday's your catch up day. And my big thing is reminder that your island is going to be due on Thursday. All right. Thursday the 11th. With that, you cannot pass second trimester if you do not have your island done. So I just want to make sure you're aware of that. That is our plan. Enjoy. Please make sure you're zooming all days. I think you'll find it beneficial this week.